Therefore, this Vedic civilization is that first of all send the children for Mahatseva, Brahmachari. Mahatseva, that is the essential part of human life. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva vigache samitpani srutinam brahmanishtam. To make this human life successful, to understand the value of life, to understand what I am, one must go to Gurukul. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigachet. This avigachet, this form of bhar, is used when it is called vidhiling. Must. There is no option. I may go or I may not go. No. One must. That is human life. That is the instruction of Vedic Shastra. That in Prahlad Maharaj's teaching also. And childhood, he was 5 years old boy. And he was teaching to his class friend, my dear friend, that Kumaro acharit pragna dharman bhagavatanya. My dear friend, begin Krishna consciousness from this point. Although we are very small boys, still we have to begin here. Kumaro acharit pragna dharman bhagavatanya. Why so quickly let us become old and feeble? When I will not be able to do anything, then I will chant Hare Krishna. No. He says no, immediate. Kaumaro acharit pragga dharman bhagavatam. Durlabham manasangyam. You do not know when you shall die. Before the next death comes, complete your Krishna consciousness. This is the business. Kaumaro acharit pragga dharman bhagavatanya. Where is that education? No. This is misleading civilization. They do not know the value of life. They are simply wasting time for sense gratification. No, this is not. The Bhagavad Dharma means children should be taught from the very beginning of life. That is Vedic civilization. So, how we shall learn all these things? Mahat Seva. Go to Mahat. Mahat. The Guru. Serve him. Tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. You cannot challenge like a nonsense. You have to engage yourself to this service. That is the beginning. Brahmachari is indicated. Go to Gurukul. And you may be a king's son or a very learned Brahmin son, it doesn't matter. You serve your Guru just like a menial servant. This is the instruction. This is the first education. Go to Gurukul and serve the Mahat Guru, the broad-minded Guru, just like a menial servant. What is that? Now you go, collect everything for Guru, alms, and do not claim proprietorship. It is Guru's property. Whatever you collect, that is not your property. That is Guru's property. And go to Gurukul, and when Guru will ask you, my dear boy, please come and take your prasadam, then you will take. If Guru forgets to call you, you should fast. This is Gurukul. Not that I am hungry, there is food stuff, let me eat. No. Without permission of Guru, you cannot touch anything. This is the injunction. Now how, strenuous training was there to live in Gurukul and sacrifice the whole life for Guru's instruction. This is Vedic culture, brahmachari. And live at the place of Guru just like a menial servant. Where is that education?
Gurukul is only for the small children, preliminary, primary. And when the children are grown up, they should be sent to the Varnashram school or college for further developed training. This is the most important item, because people have been spoiled all over the world by being misguided, the so-called leaders. Therefore, Varnashram college is required. Hare Krishna. Just like material subject matter, Kshatriya, or the Brahmins, Kshatriya, as they are described in the Bhagavad Gita. What are the symptoms of Brahmin? What is the symptoms of Kshatriya? The Kshatriyas should be taught how to fight also. There will be military training. There will be training how to kill. Yes? And Vaishyas should be trained how to give protection to the cows, how to till the field and grow food. Practical. Varnashram college is specially meant for the Brahman, Kshatriya and Vaishya. Those who are not fit for education, they are Sudras, that's all. Or those who are reluctant to take education, Sudra, that's all. They should assist the higher class. So, ashram is specially meant for spiritual advance. And Varna is general division. It must be there in the human society, and there are animals. If Varna is not there, then this is a society of animals. And when the Varna is working perfectly, then we give them ashram. Varnas. That is later on. That first of all, the whole society must be divided into 4 varnas, otherwise there will be chaotic condition. That is what is the position now. What is he, what he has to do, one does not know. And there are so many unemployment. But if you organize the society into varnas, there will be no question of unemployment. But Krishna's grace, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's grace, they are being now trained up. Now you be trained up and revise the whole edition of the Western civilization, especially in America. Then a new chapter will come in. This is the program. Therefore, Varnashram school is required.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Krishna